The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Fort Wayne Police Department. Police are looking for a child that has gone missing. The child's name is Nicholas Hudson, a white male, 7 years old, 4 feet 2 inches tall, weighing 73 pounds, with dirty blonde hair and brown eyes. He was last seen wearing a red shirt with a race car on the front, blue and white shorts, and green shoes. Police say he was last seen in his backyard. If you see anybody that matches the description of Nicholas, call 911 or your local police department. Stay tuned to this station for more information. An administrative message from the Fort Wayne Police. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Fort Wayne Police Department. Nicholas, the kid that went missing 13 minutes ago, was found safe near a local gas station. It is suspected that he ran away, but it is not confirmed at this time. The Fort Wayne Police Department thanks you for your cooperation. Normal programming may now resume.
Hello, and welcome to a random news station. We have some breaking news. Nicholas Hudson, the child that went missing and was found later today, has been exhibiting some strange behavior. According to his family and a few witnesses, the behavior that he has been exhibiting are the following: randomly appearing in strange areas of his house and other areas, smiling in a creepy and weird way, staring at other people or objects with wide eyes and a blank expression, and even showing a little bit of violence towards other people. If you see anybody exhibiting weird and strange behavior, do not approach them and leave them be. Make sure to stay tuned for more information and updates. Thank you, and have a great day.
Watching the ocean with you, baby, up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our cloudlands when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word. You got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Fort Wayne Police Department. Multiple 911 calls have come in about someone breaking into people's houses and brutally murdering them. Police went to investigate the broken-in houses and noticed everyone inside murdered with their stomachs and or necks cut open. All residents of Fort Wayne are strongly advised to shelter in place. To shelter in place, lock all doors and windows, turn off all heating and air conditioning units, close all fireplace dampers, and seal all cracks on windows with tape or damp towels. It's also best to barricade your doors and shelter with anything strong and stable. Make sure to take supplies, such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, phones, chargers, a first aid kit, and a battery. Powered or hand-cranked radio with extra batteries. Stay tuned to this station for more information on this dangerous situation. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Fort Wayne Police Department. We have some more updates about the ongoing situation. When the police went into one of the broken-in houses, Nicholas Hudson was there. When he saw them, he disappeared into red dust. It is unknown if Nicholas has anything to do with the break-ins, but all residents are advised to stay in their shelters and to not come in any contact with anyone else unless it's the authorities. If you see Nicholas, do not approach him as he could be a part of the murders in Fort Wayne. Stay tuned to this station for more information on this dangerous situation. Geez, can this day get any crazier?
Tell me about it. First a child going missing, then murders in Fort Wayne? What the actual hell is going on here?
I know, right? What's next? Some deluded drunk guy nuking the entire US? A bunch of demons going hella insane? Who knows what is next?
I don't know, but hopefully this monstrosity will end soon.
Yeah, me too. Oh, I got a notification on my phone. I wonder if it's an update.
Well, let's see.
This is an emergency action notification blah blah blah, you already get the point. Anyways, the following message has been transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. It has been confirmed that Nicholas Hudson is a part of the murders in Fort Wayne, and the murders have spread to all 50 states including Alaska and Hawaii. It is a matter of time before it spreads to the entire world, and we don't know how long until it is. It has also been confirmed that the boy who committed the murders is not actually Nicholas, but a demon disguised as him. It is unknown where Nicholas is, or if he's alive, but it is believed that he is an extreme danger. Emergency update: there is a blood red gas spreading everywhere in the US, and might spread it to other parts of the world. All residents are strongly advised to stay in your shelters. If you have a gas mask, use it whenever it's necessary. Stay tuned to this station for more information on this life-threatening situation. Attention everyone, this is Tom from the EAS headquarters. The blood red gas has disappeared, and there is blood everywhere on the streets. I am currently walking down the streets, and I am wearing a gas mask just to be safe cause you never know if the gas is still out here. The demon hasn't been seen since the blood red gas has been released, so we don't know if it is still lurking or not. But all residents are advised to stay in your shelters as the threat hasn't been confirmed to be over yet. Make sure to keep an ear out for any new information. Thank you, and stay safe. The following message has been transmitted at the request of Homeland Security. There are weird noises being heard from all around the world. It isn't known what these noises are, but crew members are trying to investigate these noises to find out what they are and the source of these noises. Emergency update: it has been said that if these noises get really loud, it is likely that the person hearing the noises will go deaf. Right now, it's not super loud, but all residents are advised to do the following. If you hear the noises getting louder, cover your ears immediately. If you have any type of hearing protection with you, have it with you in case the noises get loud. Stay tuned to this station for more information on this situation. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. The noises that were heard 35 minutes ago were actually a warning that the demon has something big planned. It isn't known what the demon is planning to do, but all residents are advised to listen for more information on what these noises are trying to tell us. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the United States government 5 minutes ago. There was a weird message that broadcasted all over the US. It seemed to have switched between being evil and good. It is unknown if the demon is behind the message, but authorities are looking into the situation. All residents are advised to stay put as we don't know what could happen next. Stay tuned to this station for more information on this situation. The following message has been transmitted at the request of Homeland Security. It has been revealed that the mastermind behind the messages was the demon, along with the source of the weird noises we heard earlier. The demon was trying to trick us into going outside, while the other spirit was trying to prevent us from going outside. All residents are strongly advised to stay in your shelters as the threat is still at large. If you see a message on your TV or other device telling you to go outside, do not listen to it as it is trying to get you killed. Stay tuned to this station for more information on this situation. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. A fight between the demon and spirit broke out right above the US. It is unknown how long it will last, but it seems to be a long one. All residents are strongly advised to stay in your shelter and to not interfere in this fight. Seriously, don't be stupid. Anyways, stay tuned to this station for more information. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. All clear, I repeat, all clear, the demon has been defeated, and the spirit vanished into thin air. It is now safe to leave your shelters. The government thanks you for your cooperation. All normal programming may now resume.